If your iPhone 11 is not turning on right after the latest iOS update, whether the screen is completely black, stuck on a black screen, or your iPhone won't power on at all, don't worry. Let's see some quick fixes to solve this issue. So first, what you're going to do is just press and hold the power button for about 20 seconds and see if your iPhone turns on. If that didn't work, try a force restart. Press and release the volume up and down button and then hold down the power button for about 30 seconds until the Apple logo appears. Now let's say if your iPhone still won't turn on. It may simply have a completely drained battery. So just go ahead, plug it into a charger, leave it charging for about 2 to 3 hours. Since it's an older model, it may even need to charge overnight before it powers back on. If you think the battery is extremely cold or not responding, you can gently warm the back of the iPhone with a hairdryer from a safe distance for a few seconds, not more than that. And then just plug it back in and continue charging, but be careful not to overheat the device. Also make sure you're using a good quality charging cable and power adapter. Now, if the charger is not supplying enough power, your iPhone may not turn on in that case. So while it's charging, check the charging port for any dust or debris. If needed, unplug it. You can use a soft air blower to clean it gently and avoid inserting anything into the charging port as it could damage the connectors. If your iPhone 11 still won't turn on even after everything you have did, just connect your 11 to a charger and then press and hold the volume up and volume down buttons together until the Apple logo appears. Now, if your iPhone enters Diagnostics mode, just tap Continue, then select Connect to Wi-Fi, accept the terms and conditions, and let your iPhone check for any hardware issues. If a repair is needed, you'll see the details on the screen. Just tap Continue and go ahead, follow the instructions. And hopefully one of these fixes or a combination of any of them have fixed your problem. Let us know in the comments so we could come and help you.